Hello dear students, I welcome you all on our YouTube channel. Myself KK Pankaj on your screen. I hope you all are well. Dear learners, today we will study about the topic agriculture, backbone of Indian economy. Dear learners, before we begin today's topic, I would like to remind you all that if you haven't yet subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to receive the further notifications. So let's begin today's topic. Dear students, agriculture is the most fundamental form of human activity and includes not only growing of crops but also domestication of animals. It was one of the earliest occupations man had learned after food gathering, hunting, and is still being practiced world over. The word agriculture is derived from two Latin words, ager meaning land and culture means cultivation. So we can say agriculture is an economic activity which refers to cultivation of crops, rearing of animals, forestry and fishing. We know that man practices different types of occupations in different parts of the world. These occupations are classified into three broad types: primary activities, secondary activities and tertiary activities. So very first we will discuss about primary activities. Primary activities involve the extraction and production of resources from land, soil, forests, grasslands, etc. Some examples like farming, fishing, rearing of animals, mining, etc. Secondary activities. Secondary activities deal with processing of primary goods into finished goods. Examples: sugar cane into sugar, cotton into cotton textiles, etc. Tertiary activities. Tertiary activities refer to the services rendered to the community like trade, transport, administration, banking, insurance, etc. Dear students, agriculture depends upon various factors. These includes these include the physical factors and human factors. Physical factors like climate, soil, and nature of soil have a great bearing on agriculture. And human factors like tools and implements, quality of seeds, fertilizers, means of transport, market, and policies of the government. Types of farming. Different kinds of farming are practiced in varying environmental conditions. Agricultural activities may be divided into two broad categories: subsistence farming and commercial farming. Student, we must know that more than 50% of the population of the world depends on agriculture. So now we will study about subsistence farming. It is a form of primitive agriculture. It represents the first human attempt to grow food for their subsistence. This system is divided into three types of agricultural practices: shifting cultivation, nomadic herding, and intensive subsistence. Shifting cultivation. It is the most primitive type of agriculture. In this type of agriculture, people clear the forests by cutting and burning the trees before cultivating the land. It is also called slash and burn cultivation. Shifting cultivation is known as jamming in India. Nomadic nomadic herding. Nomadic herding is practiced by people who rear cattle, sheep, goat, camels, and yak. Nomadic herding is found in the semi and semi-arid regions of Sahara, parts of West and Central Asia, and in the parts of India like in Jammu Kashmir and Rajasthan. Intensive subsistence. This type of agriculture refers to the maximum use of minimum land. Crops are grown more than once on the same field to meet the needs of the population. Commercial farming. In this type of farming, the main aim of the farmer is to produce crops for sale. Commercial farming can be of three types: commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantation farming. So, first we will discuss about commercial grain farming. Commercial grain farming. In commercial grain farming, crops are grown for commercial purposes. The most important crops are wheat and maize. Mixed farming. In mixed farming, cultivation of crops and rearing of animals is done on the same field. Plantation farming. It is described as large scale farming of a single crop and resembles factory production. The important plantation crops are rubber, cotton, tea, coffee, banana, coconut, etc. Major crops. Now here we will discuss about major crops. Major crops grown in the world are divided into food crops and commercial crops. So first we will discuss about food crops. Food crops include all cereals, pulses, oilseeds and beverages. Rice, wheat, maize and millets are the main cereals. Now about rice we will discuss here. It is a kharif crop which requires a high temperature of 26 degrees Celsius and a rainfall of more than 100 centimeter. It grows best in alluvial soil with a top clay layer that allows standing water. The leading producers of rice in the world are India, China, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt. Wheat. It is a rabi crop. It is the second most important crop. It is the second most important food crop next to rice. It requires moderate temperature of 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and rainfall of about 50 to 75 centimeters during the growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. It requires a well-drained loamy soil for its growth. Wheat is extensively grown in the temperate grasslands of USA, Canada, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine and Australia. In India, it is a rabi crop grown in winter. Millets. A group of crops like jowar, bajra, ragi and sorghum are given the common names of millets. The millet is cultivated in dry and semi-arid areas. The millet is cultivated in dry and semi-dry areas. Countries that produce millet are India, Nigeria and China. Maize. It requires moderate temperature and rainfall. It grows best in well-drained fertile soils. Major maize producing countries are North America, Brazil, China, Russia, Canada and India. Cotton. Cotton grown best in black and alluvial soils. It is obtained from a plant which grows in a dry climate. Major producers of cotton: China, USA, India, Brazil and Egypt. Jute. It is known as golden fiber because of its color. It requires it requires high temperatures, high rainfall and alluvial soil for its growth. Leading producers of jute are India and Bangladesh. coffee. The second highest beverage after tea is coffee. It is grown in warm and wet climate regions having well-drained loamy soil. The major coffee producing countries are Brazil, Colombia and India. You can see here coffee plant. Tea. Tea is obtained from the young leaves of the tea plant. It requires a cool climate with well distributed high rainfall throughout the year for its growth. Hill slopes are preferred for the cultivation of tea. The world's major tea producing countries are Kenya, India, China and Sri Lanka. You can see here tea plant. Agricultural development. Agricultural development refers to the concerted efforts taken by the government to increase agricultural production to meet the needs of the ever increasing population. Agricultural development is aimed at providing food security to the people. Dear students, here some questions are given on the basis which what we have studied. So students, I hope you all will try to give answers. So I will ask questions and you have to reply. Take time and give answers. What do you know about agriculture? Take time and reply. Good. A systematic practice of tilling and cultivation of soil, raising crops, rearing animals and practicing fishing is jointly called agriculture. Very good. Question number second. What is jamming? Shifting cultivation is known as jamming in India. We know that in this type of agriculture, people clear the forest by cutting and burning the trees before cultivating the land. Next question. Question number third. Which crop is known as the golden fiber of India? Take time and reply. Good. Jute is known as the golden fiber of India. Next question. Name two plantation crops. Good. Coffee and tea. Next and last question. Name three types of millets. Good. Three types of millets are ragi, bajra and jowar. Thanks for watching this video.